the hard water spots everywhere. Like, it's just hard to clean off glass.
Our dishes weren't clean, and we've tried, 40 solutions to clean our shower. We have like one of those all glass showers. And we've tried like 40 ways to clean it.
No more lime buildup. We were having issues because we have the spray nozzles in all of our showers, and we would always get one that would be like off this way because of the lime buildup. But ever since we got it and cleaned them out, we haven't had any buildup issues since then.
Yeah, that's been very nice to not get accidentally sprayed in the face when you're washing the dog with an errant, with an errant like clogged up nozzle.
I think I remember having a house cleaner tell me to use toilet cleaner.
We've literally tried so many ways to clean our shower, and it was just as beautiful as a glass surround was. It was not very fun, and I remember once thinking we were like in an episode of Breaking Bad because we had to put on so much protective gear to clean the shower. And I didn't think that soft water would make that much of a difference.
The shower, the film that you get on the shower, we have a big glass wall, and it looks like it's frosted most of the time, although it is not frosted.
I noticed some things with the laundry too. It just kind of felt like the clothing wasn't as like soft, and we also had some sort of spotting on the white things.
Yeah,
He does most of the laundry.
It was like all of our whites would have like gray like streaks and tinge to it after a little bit. So
yeah, and we feel like ever since we switched water systems, it's kind of like a brighter laundry kind of experience.
Well, especially with hard water, within a week, once we got the water tech system, we stopped using the chemicals. We stopped using chemicals, and after a week, it was gone. Like all of the hard water and stuff like that was completely gone from our dishwasher and all of our glasses and stuff like that too. So
yeah, so we'd do the dishes, and they would actually be clean.